Anyways, I would like to remind all of you that today's day is not just for the observance of Separation Day, but also to give a message to the entire country and the world, and to expose the failures of the government and those in power. What has been going on for the last 2 years is not only very, very shameless on part of the government and the majority community in Manipur. It also points out a desperate lack of failure, desperate lack of accountability and total failure on part of the government. And the Constitution of India guarantees us, everybody, each citizen is guaranteed certain constitutional rights, fundamental rights, and the government has miserably failed in protecting and guaranteeing and protecting those rights of the people, particularly the Kuki-Zo people in Manipur. And relentless propaganda after propaganda by the government, by the state government, and the lies of the government and of the majority community have failed to break the spirit of the Kuki-Zo people. Everybody should remember this. Even after 2 years of demonizing by way of propaganda has failed to break the spirit of Kuki-Zo people, then those in power and those who have engineered this conflict, they really need to, there's serious question on their basic IQ. They still don't get it. They don't get it that they have failed. Their agenda has failed. The government, majoritarian government has been sacked. They are running helter-skelter. They are not able to organize themselves. And all of this demonizing, killings and propaganda failed to break the spirit of the tribals. And apart from the government, the media has also played a very, very shady role in the entire conflict. The national media shamelessly gave platforms to majority propagandists and allowed them to spew lies about the identity, about the citizenship, about various things, about various allegations. But they were given platform by media to say all those things, and they were propagated throughout the world. But always remember one basic rule. Anything spinning out of a propaganda machine is to be disbelieved and to be countered with facts. Only counter to lies is truth. And we have stood by the truth, and we swear, we pledge to stand by the truth in future. This will fulfill our aspirations. Truth will fulfill our aspirations. Lies and propaganda fulfills nobody's aspirations. They will miserably fail. Today, Rambai Tengol, UNLF, their leaders, what's his name? Puran Gamba, he's on the run. He's been sending feelers to Assam Rifles to spare his life. It's only the spirit, unbeatable spirit, and the de facto separation effected in the state by the Kuki-Zo people, which has broken the back of the terrorism in the state. And this shall continue. The spirit should not break. I've been told we are running out of time. So that's all. All the best to the struggle. All the best to the Kuki-Zo people. Thank you.